Hello, this is Yasser from Baba the Builder. Today I'm gonna be changing the doorknob in the guest room. There's nothing wrong with this one, it just doesn't have a lock. So I went and purchased this one from Home Depot. I like this brand, Shelag. It's really good quality. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to change it.
Mama, can you fix it?
So we're gonna start with taking out the old one. Some are easier than others. This one was very easy. Let's check how this one goes on. So this is the hardware. These are the screws. And this is for the door jamb. So you always want to look at it as this is inside, this is outside. And this here, you want to make sure it's facing that way. So you start with putting this on. And you fit it like this. Line up the screws. And I always say, always start any screw with your hands. You want to make sure don't cross thread it. I did talk about cross-threading in another video, and I'll link it to the description. I like to tighten this first because this here will be centered no matter what. And then I'll hold this like this. That's it. Just takes a second to change. And make sure you use the new screws. They look better. Line it up. So like you seen, it took less than 5 minutes. And then you try it out. And this is your key. You try it out. And that's it. It's very easy to install. All I needed is a drill. So I would link the product in the description below. And if you want to see more content like this, please make sure to like and subscribe.